I'm trying to complete the Pokedex in Korean, and this is episode 45. Let's see what pack we get today. Let's take away the wheel, and bring in the pack. Let's rip, and we're still going for these 3 chases. And we have a Citadel, Pineco, Kangaskhan, Nidoqueen, and a Porygon Z. That's 4 new Pokemon for the Pokedex. Let's get them sleeved and in their binders. 31 is Nidoqueen, 115 is Kangaskhan, 204 is Pineco, and 475 is Porygon Z. That's 175 Pokemon now collected, only 850 to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me next time.